rocking the tropics. That is a slogan that you're going to hear a whole lot as we head into hurricane season in the next several months. So yes, this graphic is a popular one this time of year, and actually it's quite unusual that we have not one but two areas of interest this early in the month of June. So they are heating up, that is for sure. We've got Invest 93L, and you're going to hear the phrase Invest 93L a lot in the next couple of days as well as we watch it move up into the southern Gulf of Mexico. It's got wind speeds strength of a tropical storm, believe it or not. However, it's just a giant mess of thunderstorms, and we don't have a clear center of circulation. The hurricane hunters are expected to go out tomorrow to see if they can find some more evidence of a center of circulation with an actual low pressure system. But right now, we don't really see that. We've got a whole lot of options on where this thing can go, and we'll talk about that in a moment. But we've also got Invest 92L, and this is also rare to see these tropical waves make it this far across the Atlantic in the month of June. Typically, we don't see this happen until July. So this is going to continue to move out towards the west at about 23 miles per hour. It's moving, and the hurricane hunters are expected to investigate this storm as well. This poses the most threat to land at this point for the Windward Islands and the Lesser Antilles, and then also up towards Venezuela and South America. So we'll keep an eye on this one. It's actually claimed the potential tropical cyclone number 2, the first time this year that the National Hurricane Center is actually issuing advisories before it's actually a named system. Pretty interesting because they're anticipating it to strengthen rapidly within the next 24 to 48 hours and impact land. So what about Invest 93, the one that's moving into the Gulf of Mexico? Here's what we know. If it trends more towards the east, we're going to get more rain because this is an east-weighted storm, and actually models today trending a hair more out towards the west, so that could be some good news for us. But the steering pattern is very difficult, and the hurricane hunters, as I mentioned, scheduled to head out there tomorrow. Here's the steering current pattern. We've got high pressure out to the west. We've got a Bermuda high pressure system off of our east coast. We've also got low pressure up to the north, and then this is that area of low pressure moving into the Gulf of Mexico. And when we have this kind of blank area out here, it just really lets those systems kind of slide back and forth depending on which high pressure system kind of steers it in that direction. So the European model taking it out more west, the GFS taking it a little closer to the east. So we'll keep a close eye on it, but it is going to be highly dependent as far as our forecast goes in the next several days with the rain chances. But overall, typical summertime thunderstorm chances in the afternoon and hot and humid.
Waiting with bated breath about those L Invest 90, I don't know, first, middle name, last, I don't know, I keep forgetting what they're called. But anyway, watching for that.